Alright guys, so Jaden and I are on the way to rescue the Golf. Sorry about the dark picture. We don't have our cameras, so we're just going off our phones. But yeah, so I was taking the Golf to go get it registered and licensed and everything, and of course I brake boost it because I like to boost, and yeah. And I snapped an axle, so we've got all the tools and stuff. You can sort of see the jack handle in the back right there. And yeah, so we're gonna go get that thing rescued and drive it home tonight, hopefully. See what happens. Alright guys, so we just showed up to the shop. Here's the Golf. I don't know if we'll be able to see it, but I quite epically broke an axle. Oh yeah, you can see it a little bit, but yeah, so we're working on this right now, getting everything set up. We're gonna go grab a table, start tearing it down, and just see how fast we can replace 2 axles on this thing. We think it'll be pretty good, so we'll keep you guys posted and we'll film along the way. So we got it replaced. There's no more clunky noise coming from the axle, at least, so we know we are in the right direction, and no more ABS light, which is good. Just a couple lights left to fix, and she's ready. We've got Jaden following behind us right now in the little taco machine, so yeah, head back for the night and go from there. But this thing's gonna be so much fun, guys. I'm excited.